Gallstones in Tikrit, a population-based study on the roles of obesity, gender, and age. Gallstone disease, cholelithiasis, is among the most common gastrointestinal diseases across the globe. Its prevalence and the risk factors associated with it, however, vary markedly from one region to another. Although awareness of gallstone disease is rising in Iraq, data regarding its prevalence and associated risk factors are limited. This study aimed to carry out an immense investigation into the prevalence of gallstones in Tikrit, Iraq, while trying to highlight sex, age, and body mass index (BMI) as risk factors. Cross-sectional study executed on 468 grown individuals in Tikrit, Iraq, during the months spanning May to October in the year 2019. Diagnosis of gallstone prevalence was carried out via abdominal ultrasound, plus calculation of participants' BMIs through their heights and weights. SPSS software is used for data analysis. Chi-square tests coupled with logistic regression models were deployed to check associations between demographic variables and gallstone prevalence. The total prevalence of gallstones was 20.5%. Females, 28.4%, were affected significantly more than males, 12.4%. Individuals whose BMI greater than or equal to 25 kilograms per square meter had a significantly higher risk of the formation of gallstones, or is equal to 3.41, 95% CI, to 0.18 5.33. Age was not a significantly associated factor with the formation of gallstones. Obesity, particularly in females, is the leading cause of gallstone disease in Tikrit, Iraq. Results from this study should prompt public health initiatives that direct efforts toward obesity as a predisposing factor, along with screening the vulnerable population at an early stage. Introduction. Gallstones, a common health issue, can lead to painful conditions like biliary colic, cholecystitis, or pancreatitis. These stones often go undetected because most people don't show symptoms at first. In fact, around 75% of people with gallstones don't experience any noticeable signs early on. However, if symptoms do appear, they usually include pain in the upper right abdomen and complications requiring medical attention. In some cases, surgery to remove the gallbladder, cholecystectomy, is needed, and in some cases, stones can pass out through the bile ducts. Several factors contribute to the formation of gallstones, including obesity, age, and gender. Obesity, in particular, is a major risk factor since it leads to higher cholesterol production in the liver, which can form stones. Women, especially those who are pregnant or use birth control, are at a higher risk due to the effects of estrogen on cholesterol metabolism. Age also plays a role, with older adults being more prone to gallstones due to reduced gallbladder function and changes in bile composition. Gallstones are more common in some regions, such as South America, and the rates are rising globally. Family history can also increase a person's risk, suggesting a genetic component. Obesity, rapid weight loss, diabetes, and pregnancy are additional risk factors. Ultrasound is the most reliable way to diagnose gallstones, as it's simple, safe, and effective. This study focused on examining how age, gender, and body mass index (BMI) contribute to gallstone formation in people from Tikrit, Iraq. The goal is to better understand these risk factors to help prevent and treat gallstones in the future. Conclusion. This study suggests that obesity, especially obesity in women, is a significant risk factor for gallstone disease in Tikrit, Iraq. The findings highlight the importance of public health interventions focused on obesity prevention, early screening for gallstones, and lifestyle changes to reduce the burden of this disease. This important article is authored by the following scientists: watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology,